Three Arrows Capital founders crypto exchange OPNX is another smokescreen. Zhu Su, Davies, Mark Lam and Leslie Lam's new cryptocurrency exchange, reportedly first called GTX and then later renamed OPNX, is set to open in April, according to a Twitter space by Chief Executive Leslie Lam. The exchange, which was originally intended to simply be a trading platform for asset claims on bankrupt exchanges, hedge funds, and other broken companies, has shifted to being a spot futures, margin, and bankruptcy claims trading platform. OPNX promises transparency, fantastic UX, and fair pricing on order books. The reality is that OPNX is opaque and run by shady people with shady pasts. Notably absent from the discussion on the Twitter space were the names Zhu Su, Davies or Mark Lam, the trio who helmed multi-million-dollar failures while simultaneously hurting every counterparty they touched. Leslie Lam is Mark Lam's wife. Lam did say at one point, quote, "Our team experienced a lot of crypto carnage firsthand," end quote. This is putting it euphemistically. Su and Davies lost hundreds of millions of dollars by leveraging long Bitcoin and a host of other coins, and could soon be found in contempt of court. Mark and Leslie Lam, US citizens, seem to have fled to the non-extradition United Arab Emirates after the collapse of their lending exchange, along with their partners. OPNX will sell unregistered securities. During the space, Lam suggested that OPNX would be tokenizing asset claims from bankrupt exchanges and companies, basically acknowledging that the platform would be specializing in offering unregistered securities. Quote, "That's a security," said a lawyer familiar with securities law on background. Quote, "Same old Howie test in a common enterprise with an expectation of profit based on the efforts of others, in this case the successful recovery of claims," end quote. Meanwhile, Flex, the token that will be tied to OPNX, has continued to leap in price since the announcement that it would be utilized the same way Binance Coin is used on Binance. The coin has jumped from lows of 5 cents to $2.80 at present time. If the token is used in the way that Lam suggested, the same way Binance Coin is used, it's also likely to be an unregistered security. Lam suggested that the new exchange would have, quote, "better liquidity than over-the-counter trading platforms," and offered a suite of features that wouldn't be available to claimants otherwise. There's no reason to believe this is true. In a surreal video posted to Twitter, Davies, co-founder of the new OPNX exchange and the failed hedge fund Three Arrows Capital, started discussing the budget for food. Clearly the group has their priorities in order. For more informed news, follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Google News, or subscribe to our YouTube channel.